Do you find it difficult to hold great conversations? Do you find yourself lost for words, unable to connect with those around you? Well, fear not, because today we're going to reveal the secrets to holding a killer conversation. Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Muhammad Rashid, and I help Muslims to inspire, influence and impact the world. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 deeper concepts that lay the foundation for powerful communication, followed by 4 practical tips that you can use to immediately improve your conversation skills. By combining these deeper concepts and practical tips, you'll be well on your way to holding killer conversations that leave a lasting impact, inshallah. First, let's dive into the 4 deeper concepts that will set the foundation for powerful communication. Number 1, presence is power. When you're fully present in the moment, you can connect with others on a deeper level. Focus on being fully engaged in the conversation, letting go of distractions and tuning into the person in front of you. Remember, someone's time is actually their life and they're choosing to gift it to you, so honor it with your complete attention. Number 2, let go of expectations. When you let go of the need to impress or perform, you can relax and be yourself. This creates a safe space for others to do the same, which builds a deeper connection and understanding. Number 3, embrace being vulnerable. Being vulnerable and sharing your true self can be scary, but it's also incredibly powerful. When you embrace vulnerability, you show others that it's safe to do the same, creating a foundation of trust and connection. Number 4, cultivate curiosity. Curiosity can help you approach conversations with an open mind and a desire to learn. Ask questions, seek to understand, and stay curious to build deeper connections with others. Now that we've covered the deeper concepts, let me move on to the 4 practical tips that you can start using right away. Number 1, master the art of active listening. When you truly listen to someone, you can build rapport and trust quickly. Listen with your full attention, ask thoughtful questions, and respond with empathy and understanding. Number 2, use the power of questions. Asking powerful, open-ended questions can keep a conversation flowing and help you gain insights into the other person. Dig deeper with questions that encourage the other person to share more about themselves. Tip 3, share your own story. Vulnerability is the key to building trust and connection. Share your own experiences and be authentic in your interactions. Tip 4, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Challenge yourself to strike up conversations with people in different situations and focus on what you can learn from each interaction. By incorporating these deeper concepts and practical tips into your conversations, you'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can transform your ability to hold a killer conversation that leaves a lasting impact. Remember to focus on presence, let go of expectations, embrace vulnerability, cultivate curiosity, master active listening, use powerful questions, and share your own story to practice consistently. If you've enjoyed this video, then you're going to want to check out the next one. I'll see you there, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.